your application. And good morning. I'm the HR manager of this company and also your interviewer. So, tell me about yourself.
Before that, let me give you a good day before you. And thank you for giving this opportunity to me to reach this final phase of application, which is this final interview. So, good morning again. I am Ahmadul Fatem, a very dedicated, motivated, and hardworking person. And I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration at Cotabato State University, Cotabato City, Philippines. And for now, I am a volunteer at community doing peace community peace activities. I am facilitating, and now I am applying for any available job in your HR department. That's all.
And what are your weaknesses and strengths?
What are my weaknesses and strengths? I do believe, Mom, that everyone has its own strengths and weaknesses that shape our own experiences or personalities. So, my strengths, I believe, is that my discipline skills, my communication skills, my socializing skills, my problem solving skills, my critical thinking skills. And I believe those skills helped me throughout my experiences since I started doing any kind of activities in our basis. And my weaknesses, I do believe, is that more on technical skills, like doing a computer, like that, because I haven't on any seminar or training that are required to do this or do that, because I am more on socializing or more on human resource like that. But I am willing to learn and learn from your organization or your company, specifically to the HR department, to learn more about the technical training that you can give me when I grab this job in the future.
Thanks, thank you. And why would I hire you?
What would you hire me? It's not an easy question actually, but I think one of the great factors that can contribute to your organization or to your company, if you hire me in the future, I think is that is a great opportunities, advantage to your department or your organization to have an employee like me who is dedicated and motivated to learn and will learn something that I haven't learned from any activities or organization from before I have attended to. And that is one very factor that I know that the biggest advantage to your organization. And I believe that my skills, my experiences I have for now is which can help to your organization in the future.
Okay, so how do you see yourself 5 years from now?
How do I see myself 5 years from now? Uh, I see myself in 5 years from now as I am one of your employees. And I am one of the aspiring project manager in the future if I got this job. And from those 5 years experiences, I believe that I have the abilities, capabilities, and experiences which I can use to contribute more to your company or to our company in the future. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for this interview.